Welcome back. Nice to see you. It is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to roast broccoli and potatoes recipe. Hope you like it. This roasted vegetable dish is simple to make. The roasted vegetables are very fragrant and delicious. Remember to follow me and save the recipe. You can adjust the ingredients according to your preferences. You can also add zucchini, pumpkin, and eggplant, which will taste great. Roast potatoes and broccoli. Ingredients: potatoes, broccoli, onion, carrot. Peel potatoes. Peel and diced carrots. Onion, remove skin and diced. Cut broccoli into florets, wash and set aside. Place all ingredients into baking pan. Drizzle olive oil. I am using garlic, pepper, chili olive oil. One teaspoon salt. Sprinkle grind black pepper. 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Add Italian herbs you like.
One teaspoon cornstarch.
Mix well to ensure each piece is coated with olive oil and seasoning. Send to roast at 180 degrees for 20 minutes, stir at 10 minutes. Roasted vegetables is done. Let's eat. The roasted potatoes and broccoli are fragrant, and the onions and carrots are sweet and delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.